Dangerous foods that will land you in the emergency room. Let's discuss. Today, we're tackling another round of some of the world's most dangerous foods. That's right, 10 more surprisingly perilous foods and their effects on the human body from a medical perspective. From everyday eats to exotic indulgences, we're bringing you the truth about what's really on your plate. All right, let's dive right in. Number 10, hákarl. This traditional dish is made from the Greenland shark, which is toxic when fresh due to high levels of trimethylamine oxide. This toxin can cause dizziness, nausea, and even severe cases of organ damage. In fact, to make the Icelandic shark safe for consumption, the shark meat undergoes a fermentation process that lasts several months. The meat is buried underground and then hung to dry, which reduces the toxin levels but also gives a strong ammonia smell, very pungent to the nostrils. Although I have personally gone to Iceland, loved it, and eaten some of their other not-so-dangerous delicacies, I have to say, fermented shark was not one of them. But let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried it. Number 9, starfruit. It is often eaten fresh, juiced, or used in salads and desserts. Starfruit in general contains neurotoxins that can potentially affect the brain and cause neurologic disorders such as confusion, seizures, and even death. For those with healthy kidneys, luckily these toxins are usually filtered out. But if you're one of the folks that may not have the highest functioning kidneys, it's a whole different story for you. Treatment typically involves supportive care like monitoring your vital signs, oxygen therapy if needed, and in severe cases, dialysis may be required to remove the toxins from the bloodstream. Is there anybody out there with kidney complications ever experienced the effects of starfruit? Let me know because I'd love to hear from you. Danger warning number 8, we have blood clams. These clams are known for their rich iron content, giving their blood red appearance. However, these can also harbor dangerous viruses and bacteria, including typhoid and dysentery to name a few. In fact, consuming uncooked or raw blood clams in general could lead to severe illnesses and even death. That's why proper cooking is critical to killing these perilous pathogens. If you suspect you've contracted an illness from blood clams, some usual symptoms from these pathogens include abdominal pain, fever, and diarrhea. Please seek medical help immediately. Treatment may involve antiviral medications, antibiotics, and supportive care to manage symptoms. Have you ever tried this seafood delicacy? Let me know in the comments. Number 7 is casu marzu, a traditional Sardinian cheese. Casu marzu is made by allowing cheese flies to lay eggs in pecorino cheese, resulting in the larvae that digest the cheese's fat, making it soft and spreadable. And while the larvae are considered part of the process, they can in fact pose health risks. Eating this cheese can lead to enterocolitis, a condition where the larvae survive in the intestines, causing severe abdominal pain, nausea, and vomiting. Yep, no fun. This cheese is banned in many countries, even though it remains a cultural tradition in Sardinia. If someone consumes casu marzu and experiences symptoms of enterocolitis, they should seek medical attention immediately. Treatment involves removing the larvae and managing symptoms with supportive care. I'm definitely not recommending it, but would you dare to try it? Let me know in the comments. Sliding into number 6, the most deadly food, silver striped blaasop, a species of pufferfish found in the Red Sea and the Mediterranean. Like its Japanese cousin fugu, which we talked about in detail in part 1 of this video, which if you haven't seen it yet, you should definitely check it out. I'll put a link to it below. Although silver striped blaasop is considered a delicacy, improper preparation in this puffer can be fatal. Symptoms of tetrodotoxin poisoning include numbness, dizziness, and muscle weakness, leading to respiratory failure. Immediate medical treatment is essential if you want to have a fighting chance, and it typically involves supportive care and mechanical ventilation if necessary. I'm curious, have you ever encountered this fish in your culinary travels? Let me know. Number 5, red kidney beans. They contain high levels of phytohemagglutinin, a toxin that can cause severe gastric distress if not cooked properly. Symptoms include nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, usually occurring within hours of ingestion. To neutralize the toxin, beans must be boiled for at least 10 minutes. Soaking and proper cooking are also essential. It's kind of wild to me to think that red kidney beans are a staple in many dishes worldwide, from chili to curries. However, improperly prepared beans can be dangerous. The toxin inside the phytohemagglutinin interferes with cell metabolism, leading to these digestive issues. If someone experiences symptoms after eating undercooked kidney beans, they should absolutely seek medical attention. Alright, be honest with me. Do you cook with red kidney beans often? Did you know this about them? Let me know in the comments. Number 4, raw cashews. Although cashews are enjoyed worldwide, often used in cooking and baking, or even just a snack, they are definitely not as safe as you might think. Raw cashews contain urushiol, the same chemical found in poison ivy, which I might add can cause severe allergic reactions. Fortunately, the cashews we typically buy in the stores are steamed to remove this toxin, making them safe to eat. If someone ingests raw cashews and experiences an allergic reaction, they should definitely get medical help. Treatment includes antihistamines and corticosteroids to manage symptoms. Have you ever had an allergic reaction to cashews? Let me know in the comments. At number 3, we've got edible, pangium edule. This is a Southeast Asia delicacy. Now, despite often being used in Indonesian cuisine, particularly in dishes like rawon, a black beef soup, this fruit contains hydrogen cyanide, a potent toxin that can be deadly if not prepared correctly. Traditional methods involve extensive soaking. The seeds are boiled, wrapped in banana leaves, and buried in ash for several weeks. And this fermentation process is used to remove the toxins from the fruit. Symptoms of cyanide poisoning include headache, dizziness, and in severe cases, death. Treatment involves administering activated charcoal and other specific antidotes such as the cyano kit. If someone suspects cyanide poisoning from kepayang, they should seek medical attention, immediately go to the hospital as fast as humanly possible. Coming in at number 2 on our most deadly potential foods is monkey brains. Monkey brains have been consumed in parts of Asia and Africa. However, the risk of contracting prion diseases like CJD, which cause brain degeneration, is relatively high. Symptoms include rapid mental deterioration, muscle stiffness, and involuntary movements leading to death. There is no cure for CJD, making prevention crucial. So if you ever encounter this dish on your travels, please steer clear and keep yourself safe. And at number 1, the death cap mushroom. This innocent looking fungus is one of the deadliest mushrooms in the world. Just one mushroom can contain enough toxins to kill an adult. The primary toxins in the death cap mushrooms are amatoxins, which are incredibly toxic compounds that cause severe damage to liver and kidneys. Symptoms include nausea, vomiting, and severe abdominal pain, seizures, coma, and eventually death if left untreated. If someone is suspected of ingesting a death cap mushroom, it is crucial to seek medical attention that second. There is no specific antidote for amatoxin poisoning, so treatment focuses on supportive care, including activated charcoal, toxin absorption, and in severe cases, even liver transplantation. Early intervention is crucial to improving the chances of survival. The death cap mushroom is a stark reminder of the dangers lurking in the wild and why mushroom foraging should only be done by those with expert knowledge. I'm curious, have you ever gone mushroom hunting? Let me know in the comments. I want to know what your experience was like. Hopefully, this deep dive into another set of dangerous foods has been enlightening. And I hope I was able to provide some medical insight on these 10 dangerous foods you'll want to be aware of. Maybe even share this with your friends and family so they can keep an eye out on the foods that they are consuming. Remember, knowledge is your best defense when it comes to what you put on your plate. What is the most exotic food you have ever eaten? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please check out this playlist right here for similar videos. And of course, please make sure you subscribe, turn your bell notifications on, and hit that like button for me. Thank you so much for watching, and stay healthy, my friends.